left Las Vegas at around 10 a.m. for our trip back to the Valley of the Sun to spend Christmas with family. Of course, I neglected to take into account that Arizona doesn't participate in daylight savings time. So it's an hour later just by crossing the state line, which puts us an hour later to our destination. So that's what a time warp is. The views on US 93 are outstanding. The roads are for the most part wide and generally unobstructed. While cruising through Wickenburg, we decided to pull over into a large lot to use our rolling comfort station. Give Ellie a chance to check her D-mail, that's doggy email, and me the opportunity to stretch. '93 does have some construction, that is, upgrading going on, but unlike what we encountered in California, the travel lanes in construction zones are comfortably wide enough for RVs and tractor trailers. Another nice thought is that, for the most part, barricades seem to be spaced far enough apart to be able to get 53 feet of rig between, if you did need to stop. They also have planned several emergency pullouts. The work, when completed, will definitely provide better safety and an improved driving experience. There's just something about Arizona. I vaguely remember that Arizona had its own Joshua Tree accumulation, but didn't realize just how large it was. I guess large enough to call it a Joshua Tree forest. Before long, we were touring the familiar byways of the valley we were so accustomed to. Not much had changed, but then again, I'm not really sure just what I expected. We had reservations at 1,000 Trails Encore Park in Mesa, Arizona, and our membership allowed us 14 days stay for just our subscription. Then we had to be out of the system for 7 days, and we could pop back in for another 2 weeks. I'm hoping that this will give me a chance to get our truck's EGT addressed at the dealer. At least while we were here. There were some other issues that needed attention as well. Number 1, a pesky intermittent leak under the kitchen sink. The island, to be more specific, where a PEX fitting connects to the kitchen faucet. Number 2, our patio awning light is dimming to the point that it's now only a dim accent light, so repair or replace is on the menu. What? Not a bad place for a quick sandwich when you're done doing some errands. Spinach, pickles, onions, tomatoes. Number 3, We have been taking stock of what items we've not used or needed and are going to try and pare down the non-essentials and lighten our load. Number 4, but by far not the last, we reconnect with friends and family and have the best Christmas and New Year's that can be had. Surprise, surprise, took the truck in this morning for a questionable exhaust sensor when we got some interesting news. Our service writer, Greg, told us the good news was that we will get the sensor installed for free, labor that is. We only had to pay for the part. The bad news is that the Garrett turbo in the truck will need to be replaced again. It was just replaced prior to starting season 1. The good news, the dealer will replace it at no charge. The bad news, it's Christmas and they don't have the parts in stock and we'll have to order it. But it may take a week and a half. That doesn't give us much leeway for moving our RV due to the 1,000 Trails rules. So I'm waiting for my friend Chuck. We're going to have a little bro time. And I'm going to get something to eat like wings.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Are you here yet?
I was sitting out there waiting for you.
Damn! I thought you were inside.
I was looking at your little.
Thank you.
Your icon wasn't updated.
Oh, it wasn't?
No, because I'm sitting there watching. I'm like.
Well, almost a week has gone by, and word from the shop is that the parts are in, but the only diesel mechanic at the dealership is on vacation. He should be back on the 2nd of January. Shelley called 1,000 Trails and explained our situation, no tow vehicle. And after a little haggling, they were willing to allow us to stay for the additional week at regular park rates. We reconnected with the dealership and let them know that we had no other option. The truck had to be done within 2 days of the mechanic getting back to work. They didn't think that would be a problem. So stick around until next week when we let you know how this all turned out. Wish us luck. Thank you all for your loyal support and views. We really do appreciate having so many wonderful folks along for the adventure. You guys can really help the channel by getting the word out about our videos. Give us a like and, if you haven't already, subscribing, and make sure that you click on the bell icon to be updated whenever we put out a new episode. Don't forget to let your friends know that we put out a new episode every Sunday at 5 p.m. Arizona time. And don't forget to check out our other social media pages on Facebook and Instagram. You can find links to those and comment directly to us below the video just under the Show More area. Let us know what you think. Suggestions are always appreciated. We'd love to know if you've had similar experiences with your truck. Is this a common problem with turbochargers? In the meantime, please travel safe. We look forward to seeing you again next week. Bring a friend.